What does a solid and broken line combination indicate if you are driving on the side with the broken line? A. You are allowed to overtake. B. You are not allowed to overtake. C. You must yield to oncoming traffic. D. You must stop immediately. The correct answer is A. You are allowed to overtake. According to the United Nations Organization, what is migration a form of? A. Economic development. B. Social interaction. C. Geographical mobility of population. D. Political asylum. The correct answer is C. Geographical mobility of population. An acid is a substance that furnishes what ions in aqueous solution according to Arrhenius theory? A. H plus or H3O plus ions. B. O or O2 ions. C. Na plus or K plus ions. D. Cl or SO42 ions. The correct answer is A. H plus or H3O plus ions. Who was a famous court poet of Harsha mentioned in the text? A. Banbhatta. B. Jayadev. C. Kalidasa. D. Tulsidas. The correct answer is A. Banbhatta. What is the ultimate product of protein breakdown mentioned in the text? A. Carbohydrates. B. Amino acid. C. Glucose. D. Water. The correct answer is B. Amino acid. What is the role of capillaries in the circulatory system? A. To carry blood towards the heart. B. To carry blood away from the heart. C. To connect arteries and veins. D. To filter blood. The correct answer is C. To connect arteries and veins. Which of the following is listed as a major crop grown? A. Potato. B. Barley. C. Rice. D. Madge. The correct answer is D. Madge. Which of the following is an example of a shellfish? A. Catla. B. Finnfish. C. Oysters. D. Pearl. The correct answer is C. Oysters. What is the value of C when 5C, 160 is equal to 9C as presented in a conversion example? A. Minus 40. B. 160. C. 40. D. Minus 160. The correct answer is A. Minus 40. Which of the following is an application of electrochemistry? A. Repair of drugs. B. Types of drugs. C. Electroplating. D. Sources of drugs. The correct answer is C. Electroplating. Which model did Galileo accept? A. Geocentric model. B. Lunar model. C. Heliocentric model. D. Solar model. The correct answer is A. Geocentric model. Which of the following was a main export commodity? A. Gold. B. Horses. C. Spices. D. Glassware. The correct answer is C. Spices. Which of these is an example of a mineral resource from the ocean? A. Plankton. B. Wave energy. C. Seaweed. D. Natural gas. The correct answer is D. Natural gas. What distinguishes male from female? A. Age. B. Secondary sex characters. C. Primary sex organs. D. Height. The correct answer is B. Secondary sex characters. How many cells are formed from each haploid daughter cell after cytokinesis 2? A. 4. B. 3. C. 1. D. 2. The correct answer is D. 2. When was the Consumer Protection Act of 1986 enacted? A. August 2019. Born in 2019. Circa 1996. D. 1986. The correct answer is D. 1986. Which of the following is also known as the gastrointestinal tract? A. Alimentary canal. B. Circulatory system. C. Respiratory tract. D. Digestive glands. The correct answer is A. Alimentary canal. Which layer is the outermost layer of the structure described? A. Pith. B. Cortex. C. Pericycle. D. Hypodermis. The correct answer is C. Pericycle. What is directly proportional to the current according to the given ratio? A. Energy. B. Potential difference. C. Power. D. Resistance. The correct answer is B. Potential difference. Which subatomic particle is described as the primary carrier of electricity in solids? A. Neutron. B. Positron. C. Proton. D. Electron. The correct answer is D. Electron. What is the outer layer of the Earth, where humans live, called? A. Outer space. B. Mantle. C. Core. D. Crust. The correct answer is D. Crust. What role did Lafayette serve during the French Revolution? A. Chief diplomat. B. Commander of the French National Guard. C. Minister of Finance. D. Head of the Provisional Government. The correct answer is B. Commander of the French National Guard. What is stated about the approach used in developing this book? A. It emphasizes a theoretical approach. B. It is developed in a holistic approach. C. It follows a specialized subject approach. D. It uses a traditional approach. The correct answer is B. It is developed in a holistic approach. In a series circuit, what is denoted by I? A. Individual voltage drop. B. Current through the circuit. C. Total voltage supply. D. Resistance of the circuit. The correct answer is B. Current through the circuit. What characteristic made ancient town locations favorable? A. Easy accessibility to the sea. B. Presence of mineral resources. C. Proximity to large forests. D. Fertile agricultural land. The correct answer is A. Easy accessibility to the sea. Where are some rare species of natural vegetation found? A. In Africa. B. In Europe. C. In Asia. D. In North America. The correct answer is C. In Asia. Who summons the leader of any party to form a ministry if no single party commands an absolute majority in the Lok Sabha? A. The Vice President. B. The President. C. The Chief Justice. D. The Speaker of Lok Sabha. The correct answer is B. The President. Which of the following is a type of asexual reproduction in plants? A. Syngamy. B. Fragmentation. C. Fertilization. D. Pollination. The correct answer is B. Fragmentation. What is the minimum frequency for a sound wave to be classified as ultrasonic? A. Greater than 20,000 Hz. B. Between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. C. Exactly 20 Hz. D. Less than 20 Hz. The correct answer is A. Greater than 20,000 Hz. The text asks for the special features of which document? A. Fundamental rights. B. The Constitution of India. C. Fundamental duties. D. Right to education. The correct answer is B. The Constitution of India. How did you score?